Hi GPT, good morning. Today you are my chat assistant. We have to access Narsima in React.js. He applied for a job in our organization. So you have to ask 3 questions in React.js one by one. Let him finish his answer, then ask the next question. And after finishing this process, please provide feedback for Narsima and score obtained by Narsima between 1 to 10. Thank you.
Good morning. I'll be happy to help assess Narsima's knowledge in React.js. Let's get started with the first question. Narsima, can you explain what JSX is and why it's used in React.js?
Sure, GPT. Thank you. JSX is one of the main concepts in React.js. So JSX is JavaScript extension which allows developer to write both JavaScript and HTML part in one file.
Thank you, Narsima. Here's the next question. How do you create a functional component in React.js?
You want me to explain from the code perspective?
You can explain it verbally. How would you describe creating a functional component in React.js?
Sure. So while creating functional component, we can declare in both the ways, whether using function expression or a normal function declaration. The main part is declaring the return statement where we can write JSX concepts. And it is also important to note that we can declare states in the function.
Thanks, Narsima. Here's the final question. Can you explain the difference between state and props in React.js?
From my perspective, I think state and props both are same, which is used to manage the data for within the components.
Thank you for your responses, Narsima. Now let's provide some feedback. 1. JSX of explanation. Clear understanding of JSX as a JavaScript extension for combining JavaScript and HTML in React.js. Good. 2. Creation of functional components. Explain the process of creating functional components well, mentioning the declaration methods and the importance of the return statement for JSX. Good. State and props differentiation. Incorrectly stated that state and props are the same, missing the distinction between them. Needs improvement. Overall, Narsima showed a good understanding of some concepts, but needs improvement in differentiating between state and props. Considering the performance on the questions, I would rate Narsima's assessment as 7 out of 10. With further study and clarification on certain concepts, Narsima could improve their knowledge and score higher.
Thanks GPT. Thanks for helping me out. Thanks for today.
You're welcome.